Hello, welcome to my car. Hello, my name is Emily, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. I doubt that you had, but if you have, what's good? Hello. So today, it's January 3rd, 2020, and I'm about to go chop all my hair off. I'm going to cut it off today. I'm really scared because I know that I've done this a million times before, but I have really bad commitment issues when it comes to my hair, and I have really bad trust issues when it comes to my hair. I've been to the salon before. It's actually the same salon that dyed my hair blonde by accident. Because it's the new year, I decided there was no better time than now to go and make a decision that I could potentially regret. I'm nervous. I'm like really nervous. I cut my hair short-ish in March, at the end of March, but it wasn't very short. Like, it was still like here-ish, and I'm planning on going like up to my collarbone today. I also just don't know how it's gonna look because I'm kind of a chungus, so. But at the same time, like, I've had this same haircut, like a similar haircut to this in the past, so I don't know what my deal is. I was gonna get bangs, and then I realized how terrible of an idea that was, and that I never ever want to have bangs again. I had them when I was like in grade 5 for the first time since being an infant, and I looked so bad. I could get bangs. I could. I had side bangs for like most of my like late childhood, like between the ages of like 10 and 13. But then I had a little funky moment where at 11 years old, I got like bangs. This salon has dyed my hair like many times, and it's always been good. It was just that one incident that kind of freaked me out, especially because I didn't want to go blonde. Anyways, I'll tell that story later, but yeah, I'm really nervous. So yeah, basically my decision to do this is my hair gets tangled. It's a hassle to keep up with. The ends are really dry, like really crusty on my hair. The like remainder of the blonde is like pretty much located at the bottom of my hair now. Like, it's just grown so much since then, and I've cut it so many times since then that there's not much left, but the parts that are blonde are freaking orange from overtone. In videos I try to make my hair look good, but like also sometimes I just end up doing it like this, and it makes me look like an egg. So I just kind of decided that it was time to cut it off. I'd been thinking about it for a while. It grows back so fast. I cut it at the end of March, and it's like really long for me now. So I don't know, I'm trying to tell myself that it's not a big deal, and that it's just hair, and that it'll look fine, because I've cut my hair like this a lot before, but like I cut it like this when I was like significantly younger and like didn't look the way that I do, and I was like thinner and whatever. So I'm trying to like chill myself out.
2,000 years later.
I'm back. My hair is so short, but I like it so much. It's like the perfect length. I'm so used to it being like here, so I'm like really not used to not having hair to play with, but it looks so cute. There's like still a little bit of blonde and like red at my tips, but I can fix that. Oh my god, I literally love it. I feel like I look so mature and like badass, and like, oh my god, I look like a middle-aged mom, but like in the best way. Tell me what you guys think, but like also don't bully me. Don't tell me you hate it, because I like high-key love it. So like if you tell me you hate it, I'm gonna question everything about my life, and we'll probably cry about it. So like, please just say that you like it. I don't know, guys, what do we think? We think it's cute. We all collectively agree that it's cute. This was fun. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was kind of random and like weird, but and not normal, but I cut my hair off, so yeah.